It's just like this tangy but savory explosion in your mouth. Like, what more do you want, right? Hi, I'm Kevin J. Nguyen, and today we're gonna make my family's recipe for thịt bò lốp lắc, which is also known as Vietnamese shaking beef. Vietnamese shaking beef is stir-fried cubed beef served over a bed of greens. Growing up, my mom would make Vietnamese shaking beef all the time. And I just remember the first time she made it, I was just like, what is this? I think honestly, I was like 7 years old and my mind was blown. And in college, I would try making this and be like, something's off. But my mom would honestly be like, Kevin, do you want pictures? And I'd be like, yes, please. She would send me videos of her cooking the dish to be like, hey, Kevin, you got that? Being Vietnamese just brings me so much joy. And for such a long time, I wasn't surrounded by a lot of Asian people in general. So the moment that I found like community and connection with individuals who looked like me, who had shared experiences as me, I felt less alone in this world. My family, honestly, is a bunch of meat eaters, but vegetables are important. It is essential to the dish. We always go the extra mile to make it look nice, but for me, just give me all the meat. That's what I want. Get your wok super hot, and the meat should start browning a little bit, and you're gonna flip it. You should be able to see a nice little char on your beef. All right, now is the fun part. There's a reason why we call it shaking beef. It's because you're gonna shake up your wok, and you're just gonna shake, shake, shake. It's a fun little activity. Vietnamese people love our dinner parties. You can have your bánh xèo, your gỏi cuốn, your bánh mì. It's pure deliciousness. This is exactly how my mom would make it. This tastes like home. I love thịt bò lốp lắc. It's simple, it's easy. You get meat and rice. That is the way to my heart. It's so freaking good. Yeah, it's real good.
Oh, yes!